confused. I'm so confused. All this expertise. I've been trying to launch this business for a whole year now. I just can't put my fingertips on it. Man, I wish there was something that I can do to really launch this business.
Did you know we have this program called B.E.A.P?
Whoa, you came out of nowhere. But no, I haven't heard of B.E.A.P. What is B.E.A.P?
So B.E.A.P stands for Black Educators Amplified, okay? It's a program that spans 8 weeks. Enrollment actually ends within the next 48 to 72 hours. But essentially, we help experts, teachers, entrepreneurs package all of their expertise from the past decade or so to launch their business with their website copy, their email and video marketing strategy, and they walk away with their 3 to 6 month content marketing calendar created by us.
Wow, that sounds great. How can I enroll?
You can actually enroll by checking out the link in the description. You can either schedule a free call so that we can speak to each other one-to-one and walk through if you're the right client for this program, because we have one more spot available. Or if you know it's right for you, you can go ahead and check out the other link down below to click on the enrollment page, and it'll take you straight to the checkout where you will receive your welcome packet, your acuity scheduling link, and get integrated into the system before our kickoff call Sunday at 2 p.m. Eastern, October 6th.
It seems like I'm a good fit for this program. I have tons of ideas. I have at least 3 business ideas that I can launch.
Whoa, slow down there. Yes, you technically can launch them, but the goal is that your business is going to be profitable. You don't want to do too many things at once. If you do too many things at once in this program, you are going to be burnt out, because we take you through a 20-question framework. We structure your sophisticated website copy. We create your email marketing strategy. So it's better if you just have one business idea. And ideally, it should be one that you're already an expert at. So you can be a new entrepreneur that wants to launch your idea and get that positioning right. Or you can be an already existing entrepreneur that wants to create more sophisticated messaging to refine their offer, okay? So choose one.
Okay, that's something that I can do. But my problem is I always start a business in the past, but I always get burnt out pretty quick. So do you have any suggestions for that?
Yes, actually I do. So we all know that business is not a one-person team. It's not a one-person thing, right? You have finance, you have marketing, you have HR, you have all these different roles. You have mentors, coaching, consultants that have to be there to help you. So even though you're not a Walmart yet, even though you're not McDonald's yet, where you have this whole team of employees, business is a community sport, okay? So you want to get in rooms in a group coaching incubator where you can create this business family in a way where you guys can depend on each other. You can receive mentorship, because you were not meant to go at this alone. Actually 8 out of 10 Black businesses fail since 2019, 2020 era. And one of the reasons is because we just don't have the right knowledge and the right community put around ourselves so that we can expand for the long term. I've been an entrepreneur for 8 years, and I'm ready to really hold your hand every step of the way so that you can also exceed my shoes, exceed my outline, and go forth into what you're called to do in the world.
Okay, how do I get started? What's the next step? And are you going to be teaching? Because you really are a good teacher.
Yeah, you can go ahead and check out the links in the description. Now, we have 72 hours left before registration closes, because we begin Sunday at 2 p.m. Eastern, October 6th. We have a few healthcare professionals already in cohort 4, so you are going to want to click the link in the description to work with us. Then after that's done, I'll send you the welcome packet. You're going to get your login info to Teachable and to our other software, and we are going to get started. 8 weeks. It may feel like, wow, this is going really fast, but that is the design of the program, because remember, success loves speed. Talk soon.
Okay, well, I'm about to sign up now.